In this video, I'm going to show you why Robinhood may not be letting you withdraw your money and how to fix it. First, if you recently sold stocks or options, there is usually a settlement period. In many cases, the funds become available after the settlement is completed. If you recently deposited money into Robinhood, you may also need to wait until the deposit fully clears before withdrawing it. Another reason could be pending orders. If you have open buy orders, Robinhood may keep part of your balance reserved. You can cancel those orders if you want access to the funds. If you received free stock through a referral program, there may be holding requirements before the proceeds become withdrawable. For margin accounts, Robinhood may require a minimum balance. If your withdrawal would take the account below the required amount, you may need to disable margin investing first. Trying to withdraw to a different bank account can also trigger verification checks. Robinhood may ask for additional information such as identity verification or banking documents. Sometimes withdrawals are blocked because of account restrictions. If this happens, you may see a notification inside the app and need to contact support. Finally, remember that withdrawal limits may apply. You can check them in the app under Transfers and Transfer Limits, and that's it. These are some common reasons why Robinhood withdrawals may not work.